thatha imoto. Come and give back. Okay. To bath and change. Guys, I had to go change.
So unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category sexy. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
Hi guys, I'm trying to use I'm using Zimasa's bedroom, my cousin, piece, because hers has more light. Room aina light, guys. Wait, can you see me? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mom because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. Guys, I'm gonna use this perfume. Iyaphela nebon. Iyaphela because ndiyayithanda. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. And to my new service, thank you so much for joining the family. This is how I look. I'm wearing this dress, my cap. Nayibona icap isiyam isiyasebenza. Because shame, I'm not a mess. I don't even want to lie. I'm not a mess. Like, it's a right week yam. Guys, I'm mixing it with this perfume. It's floral. This one is not floral, so I'm just ziyangena zombini. Ziyangena zoyi-2. I'm gonna carry this bag because the black and white today, black and gold. Guys, I don't like wearing too many colors. I'm also wearing these shoes, you already know, because Zenza Essence ziyangena. I'm also exporting, today's a Friday, I'm exporting my video. I'm gonna post it today on a Friday. So I wanted to use Zimasa's bedroom because Sana, it looks much better. The lighting this side looks much better. Yarn. How do I look? I think this vlog I'm gonna post it after Christmas because today is the night. It's the 19th. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I'm lying. I'll post it before then. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I don't know. All I know is that now I'm going I wanna go buy Itiagos, right? And what else am I doing? But I'm gonna do whatever that I'm doing it with you guys. Ndifuna uqala vlog ibe ne-intro because one thing about ibhizi yasemakhaya uvele ube busy ungabi na-intro, hlangane nje phithizele ube into ongayazi. So yeah, let's do that. Also, I need to buy a burger kalubanzi KFC. He wants a burger. Bye guys. Okay, there we go. I think I was trying to show you guys what I'm wearing and bending a veil. But you guys know this dress, right? You know this dress. Okay, let's go. Wi-Fi in the house, it's very slow. Like, you're right when I'm exporting, right? Like iyakhawuleza, but xa sekufuneka ndipostile kwa YouTube, it's very slow. So I'm thinking instead of going to Tiagos because I wanted to go buy food, right? I'm thinking let me just go to Espe, Lapa, where I usually go to when I need to post my videos, Emakai. So I'm gonna go there because I haven't eaten anything, get food and ndicele bandiconnectise faster, not faster but a bit. It's much better if abantu bayaphuma Wi-Fi. So guys, it's a mess. If you've been here, you know exactly my struggles of posting. I literally have to go to a casino, hlale spend connected to Wi-Fi yakhona and do that, because i-Wi-Fi zasemakhaya. I was telling my mom we need to look for i-Wi-Fi booster siyayidinga, because you know that Wi-Fi right to go WhatsApp and TikTok and whatever, but when I have to do my things I disebenzile. So yeah guys, let me stop yapping and drive. I'll catch up with you guys now. I just need to post this video so that I can start another one. And Yona Shem, I think it's as a right, because I think it's 38 minutes, but it's just that I don't want to post longer vlogs. I don't think anyone has time to be watching vlogs for 1 hour and don't minutes more December, guys. I don't know what you guys are doing in December, but in December I'm usually very busy, like busy up and down with family, with kids. So I've been seeing a lot of people are posting. I haven't even gotten time to watch. I will catch up in January. Like, that's just the honest truth. When I get back to Joburg, that's when I watch vlogs zabantu zango-December, because andibinalo ixesha at all. Andibinalo. Xa ndibuya ndizobe ndifuna ulala. When I come back I want to rest, so I really don't have time for vlogs. But yeah, hence I'm posting shorter vlogs, just in case there are people who are not busy and they want to watch, but at least it's not going to be too long, because I believe that Sibu holidays is song, guys, at this point. So yeah, let me go and stop yapping. Sharp. Charger. I mistakenly left my charger kamereni okuhle. So now I don't know if izokwenzeka lento because of ibattery, but let's try and see. But will I able to finish? Yeah, if only the Wi-Fi was faster like mine in the house. Yes, yes. I'm done. I'm going home. I'm not done, but I have to go home. Done. The battery, guys. The battery failed me. As I had said, that I think the battery is gonna fail me, so at least in the kill. I ate. I didn't enjoy the food. Chips madala. They tried fixing it, but niggas chips I'm like, I'm full. So but okay, masukunika amatsha ozohamba nawo ke wenze take away. I'm gonna give them to my Lubanzi. Yeah, I didn't enjoy the food. I think I didn't enjoy the food because I actually wanted breakfast. Like, in my head I wanted full breakfast, but nifike late sekubethe no 11, but bavala ngo-11 breakfast. So yeah, I didn't enjoy the food because beningakhalelanga burger, beningakhalelanga anything else. I wanted a full breakfast. But anyway, let me go home. This video will go live very late. I tried. That's it, I tried. I really tried. Let's go, guys. Good morning, guys. Village Diaries. Guys, ngiyanetha emakhaya. Akho nto sizoyenza. It's a Sunday today. We're supposed to go to church. And what time is it? It is kungo-10. Kungo-10 ngimele sami secaweni. Aniboni secaweni. I don't see it happening because I am sitting watching vlogs. Another thing that I hate about watching vlogs in the village is that my network is so bad. My network is so bad, so ama vlogs wabantu awakho clear. Yabo? So ngigqibela ndingawa enjoy because i-network yami ungazi ukuthi umuntu uposte i-vlog ene-low quality ecaleni lakhe kanti ayinguye ndim one-network bad. But yeah, let me go drink my green tea. I just wanted to show you guys that it is raining outside. My mom needs to paint ngaphandle. In fact, let me go tell her. But ma'am, you need to paint your house. Hi, Tom. Ubalekani? Hi, kahle. When are you painting your house outside?
Not in Glonia Nyagosai. Nalapho yazi ngifuna ukwenzana. Ngifuna ukuthenga lezi zinto labathi chroma decay.
Ufuna uqa utshintshe roof.
Ufuna ngitshintshe roof before ngichange.
Okay. Besibuza nje ngoba ayibandla. Cha. Akusekho kuhle. So guys, guys, uthi ufuna uqala shintshe i-roof. Angazi i-roof i-chromazone ntontoni. But she needs to change the roof first before. Mela change roofing before athini a paint. Anyway, yabo guys, I'm drinking my green tea. Enjoy. Then we continue watching my vlogs. Hi guys, so later that day we went to a place called Molo Lounge. You guys are gonna see it. Here I was dancing here, you would swear I had energy. I had no energy, but you know what, also my younger brother just came back, so he was excited and he wanted to go out. There's also this place called Imolo. You guys have seen it before. I've showed you guys. I've been here not once, not twice, but yeah, he's never been. So he was, was like, no, let's go, I want to see the place. And I'm like, I'm tired, I've been going out. So bangidayisa ke nale squad lesenibonayo, my cousins and my son nabo babefuna uphuma that day. I was the only person who didn't want to go out because I was tired. Another thing that makes me tired is because I have to drive kuzo zonke lezi ndawo esihambayo. I can't really fully enjoy. Like when I'm out, I don't fully enjoy. I don't, because kumele ngidrivile, yabo. And unfortunately, we can't even say we're going to use Uber and stuff like that. There's no such thing here. Yeah, this is the place, Molo Lounge. So yeah, that's what happened that day. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, we're going to Esheli to go look for Ogutle's bicycle. Someone said they didn't see Ogutle. Ogutle guys, since Ekon, Ogutle, come say hi. Hi guys. since Ogutle kona kuma vlogs almost emakhaya. I don't know ukuthi nifuna ukumbona kanjani when someone says, but I didn't see Ogutle. Ogutle was on my first vlog when I got home. My other vlog that I posted, he was there. He's always on my vlogs. He's always on my vlogs. But yeah, let's go look for his bicycle. If you guys remember, I said I'm gonna If you guys remember, I said I'm gonna get him a bicycle when I was buying Luban's clothes. I went to look for it at Game and I didn't. Oh no, he Game be value actually. As I said, now he Game FOAs. So I was like, it's fine. I'm gonna get it when I'm home because Sinai Game will die. But yeah, say bye. Bunsy Buns. Say bye to the vlog. Huh? What? Let's go. Let's go to your brother. Asami. Come. Which one do you want? No, show me which one you want first. Ungangibuzi budget. Show me which one you want. How much is this one? 1,600, 700. That color looks ugly. Black is nice. Oh, that navy one. Huh? You like this one? Akumelanga uyilinganise ukuthi sokuhlala. Nani yes. Come Nana. Come this side Nana. The end. Oh. Sihambe phela. Ngenani kweliqala okudla. Siwisiwe yeah. Ngathi akakwazi ukuyishofa. Ngicela nehlisa isitulo siphakeme kakhulu. But isitulo siphakeme. Hayi mfutshane. Uzowa. Luba okuwena phila umyeke kancane. Sisani isitulo. Hayi ngeke nidlala ngayi ayingomshovi nina ningayenza. Okay, suka. Nansi yahamba nguwe nje ongakwazi ukushova wena Lubanzi ibhayisekile. But niyabona banini eningayenzanga kahle. Guys, the following day I took back the blue bicycle. I felt like it was too small. Also the assembling of the bicycle, it was just dribbling us, the chains, like it was just falling apart. Being as a result, when I went to exchange, I asked them to please give me a bicycle that is already assembled. Because no, we just every now le eka okuhle angazi angazi kwenzakaleni. So I don't know, when ubhaye bicycle ngathi ungavele ucelele leli phezulu bayakunika, and I didn't know elisebhokisini nje it's a bad idea, but nonetheless we changed the bicycle. We got this one. My brother said uzokhula nalo, and when he outgrows this one he will use Oguhle's bicycle, which is probably 2 years 3 years from now, because this bicycle is quite big for Ulubanzi. So but it's fine because it's tall also, so it fits perfectly. But uyasaba Ulubanzi enye into emuyisayo uyoyika to ride the bicycle, but uzofunda ngokuwa ayikho enye into ezokwenzeka. So yeah, just an update. Oh, yes. Izophuma after Christmas.
So happy New Year, City Mom.
Happy Christmas, not New Year. Egalon sazokwenza Christmas, which is tomorrow.
Merry Christmas,
and a happy
and Happy New Year.
Yes.
I'm
Little
doing
human.
featured again.
Little human, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Inoba kasakhumbula noba say vlog human ne. Uyayazi.
Hi guys. Hi. Guys, today is the 24th. Tomorrow is Christmas, obviously, and I'm packing. Not really like packing. I'm just putting Lubanzi's things, my things. Yabo. I've just put ama slippers, into yasekhanda, and then I'm gonna put my thingy. We're going to my grandmother's house, guys. Remember I told you that we're going to my grandmother's house. Kuthiwe sizolala kwagogo, all of us, and then tomorrow we wake up and we enjoy Christmas. We enjoy Christmas kagogo. So but I'm gonna come back and bath here in the house like that. So yini angoqoqa izinto okuhle like isixubho ekseni before you come here.
Please have money
Money for what?
for airtime. I need to play admin abuse.
Oh,
I need
angoqoqa into
data.
zakho. Uhlala udinga idatha kanjani kune-Wi-Fi Lubanzi?
There's
Wena
no Wi-Fi there.
There's no Wi-Fi there?
No.
Oh damn. Yes baby. Dukhulula.
Yeah.
Why? Oyifuna? Sowuhlambile?
Yeah.
Sowuhlambile? Uhlanjwe ngba? Uhlanjwe ngililitha? Uzonxiba ntoni? Awukodoni?
Mama.
Yeah? What do you want on my bag? Ufunani? Ayikho sweet. There's no wheatie. I'm gonna buy it for you. Okay? Okay. Where's your bicycle? Huh? Uthina Lubanzi? Ndiqoqa into zakho apha nezam. Can you please move? Lubanzi. Azanangixakekisa ke. Colgate isixubo sam ndisiphathile. Guys, I'm trying to think. Ngizobuya ngizogezela lana, so I think that's about it. Into zokulala ndizifakile.
Nzima lesihlangu.
Uthenge izihlangu?
Man, ndanika uzimasa sashintshisana ngeCortez. Othada. Hayi othada yam.
I-OTD. I-OOTD, hayi le
Othada.
Homa. Anathi omacici angena apha ngaphansi. Yeah?
Need a panty.
Yeah?
Lubanzi.
Suka nana.
Yebo mama. Ukobelani ekhona inyama.
Akakuva kwayena. Ulubanzi bahlambile ne? Thank you. Kodwa ngiphathele into ezi-warm just in case.
Mom,
because
just only carry one.
I think we're gonna sleep on the not couch. So let us bonjini ne?
Oh, ikhona imbhede lapha e-extra nenzolala imbhede.
Khona imbhede extra kagogo.
Ma Ulubanzi might just only carry things that he's gonna wear when he's
Nana,
sleeping.
are you? I think this is fine, eh?
Siyabuya ngakusasa.
Okay.
So,
Guys, I'm just gonna carry this for Lubanzi. Actually, he's gonna wear it now. He's gonna wear it now because he's already wearing pajamas, so he's just gonna wear this gown. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna come back and bath here in the house tomorrow because I don't have a bath at my granny's house. ngifuna ukusheshisa ngizela fast positive. Come, baby. Come. Look at you. Are you warm? You warm. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Say bye. Come. Okay. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye,
Bye vlog.
bye.
Okay, kiss mommy. What? Bye vlog. What? Okay, guys, I'm done. Here, bye.
Hi guys.
Guys, I'm done. I have everything here. Some, but I didn't pack what I'm gonna wear tomorrow because obviously I'm gonna come back here. So yeah, let's go.
Please don't forget to
Let's-
subscribe.
Kulungile ke bye. Yep. Ezakhe pakho sifake phi?
Nasubuya kusasa.
Nakuzobuya tena. Athi ubana. Obo. Okay.
Yo, ilena iyangikaka nje. Kubekani ngawa? Yes. Hey, Mickey.
Oh, asante. Guys, we got home and yeah, they were praying. So when we got home, lapho bengizidlalela umculo ke mina ngizitshela ukuthi nje bazihlalele e-dining room kanti kuyathandazwa. I don't know if you guys can see my aunts there saying they're praying, but animva. But yeah, we joined them. Merry Christmas. Where am I sleeping? Oh, these are nice. Who put these things, these colors?
Malume.
Oh, uncle. Uncle, thank you. Thank you, uncle. Wenzani wena? Angathi angayithi ukuyifaka ahlehle nayo yayibona kwelibonde elingapha. Angathi angahlehla nayo ayithi phele lapha efestireni. But this is nice.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Okay, uncle, we'll see you. We'll see you, uncle. We'll see you. So who's gonna sleep on this bedroom? Sebelapa? Who's sleeping here? Can I sleep here with my son? No. Ugogo, usana athi ngizolala. Asiqaleni ngogogo bugcina thina ke sifuna indawo yokulala yabo. And then those other le enye ikamera inebed ezincinci.
Kulala mna nonana kwelapha abantwana.
Eliphi le enebed ezimfushane. Inobumalume lo orange white. It's recording what? No.
Nana. Yes.
Wow. Thatile kodwa mina wangangifuni. Endaweni. Guys, I'm looking for i-camera engizodlala kulona. Leli camera leli
Gogo. Lela gogo.
leli kancane.
Lela gogo.
Gogo.
Which gogo? Eli. Angiladelana ngoba kunamuntu olela.
Ngilala nololo uyazi.
Ndingalala nolololo. Okay, mina ngizolala ngapha ndizokuthi ngithathe into zami ngizibeke la.
Hey, ndiphathele i-conditioner.
I-conditioner.
Hey.
Yazi kuningi. Say hi to the vlog. That turn around.
We are not used to such.
Guys, there's no cold water. I'm not one of them. It's so funny. Nizoyibona lapha ku-TV.
Unana lo wena, unana.
And-ke uvele kube khona umuntu othi sengicela asekho ngiyamazi lo. Gogo. Okay. Oh. I'm good. Okay. Evi. Sebayeka abantu.
I-vibe esesivyu.
Esivyu pen.
Exesha sizayo mina ikhonko sekangena kumndongo.
Nithi sidlala ntoni ka? Nithi sidlala ntoni?
Ikhonko siyangena kumndonke.
Ndiyakwazi.
Enye into la sibadala mina.
Yenzani iqambo ayikho iqambo? Awenze lilitha phela ibhola.
Banifisharishile ukuba manenze ibhola, so guys, what must I call myself?
Oh, uyayithatha into ethethwayo. Khawenze. Guys. Guys, we are about to play this. What is it called? 3-10. We are about to play this. And then, let me show you guys. The boys are on this side. I want to show you guys the boys. The boys are on this side. The boys are on this side playing soccer. Obviously, they can't play with us. Okuhle wayenganxibanga izihlangu. Eh? Hayi kaloku wena umncane uzoshesha ugule badala labantu. Where are you playing soccer as well?
Yes, but my knee
Hlala phansi or iba ngu-goalkeeper wena. Guys, I bought this soccer for Ulubanzi. At this point, I feel like I should buy another one because ngathi bazoliqhumisa. Yabo, ungcoba besithenga amabhola ethu.
I'm out.
Out what?
Yes.
Uphuma?
Oh.
Okay, and then the girls are on this side. We as girls are gonna play U13. I think I remember 13, but anyway, let's go back. Why ungenzi na Lilithi uyayithanda lento yakho? Yeka ifoni nomculo. Sam, khuphani izinto zenu apho nizibeka apho nilala khona ne?
Saman.
Ijije ngeplastiki. Oh gosh. We are Brian, madam. We are Brian. Brian yakho. Andithandi tu ingulube. Guys, this is our chillers. Malume wasakhela le ndawo to chill here when we are at my grandmother's house. So this is where we chill. Thina ke esiphuzayo. Thina esibuphuza. Uyaphi malume ndalandelana na? Ni Brian phi? Angaqali. Oh, okay. It may be long to get me there. Feels like I've been everywhere. But someday I'll be coming home. Round and round the world it's been. Oh, the circle never. Bayeke bahlale bazolala. Bayeke. Bazolala nje intende.
Guys, ngicela obasekhemini lami akwazi ukubika. I can't nje ubanje.
Ungayenzi bencane i-right ngoku.
Hayi sikuba i-plastic.
Okay, no, nifake uzimase esayidini lami. Into sizoyitsha. Kukhona ihlasa. Kuba nomnye ongathi ubhadile ecaleni lethu. No, hayi wena owundani khona good shot. Kuba nomnye. Lama ndizithembi ngani. Ukhethe kanjani? Emakazi ungafaka uzimasa nami. Ecaleni eliyi-one. Kanjani? Make it make sense.
Okay, mama. Besicela usiphe
And your shoes must be off because you. Okay. Alright.
Uba ugeje 3 times, you are out.
You are out. Yo,
Yeah, you are out for the game. The whole game.
Zulala.
Uzoyenza ngaphi ikhamera ngizoyibeka pha phezulu. You are on your PJs, into nezinto. Mina ngazi ngizodlala kanjani ngiyahlatshwa amatshe lana. Nasogijima kanjani guys? So many things must gijima. We need to wear our okuhle ngicela pha kule kamera elapha kuqaleni. Ngibona ibhedi yakho uphathe ama-slippers. Le kamera elapha kuqaleni first one. Ngibona ibhedi yakho uphathe ama-slippers pha. I can't. Guys, imali thini ngayenza ngapha sizotshintsha inotizana because kuyakhanya ngapha. Yabo?
Okay, masibeka ngale. Sekuvaleke wera ke makala.
What's that?
5 imbolento ngolilitha siyi-5
Guys, ugogo phela akakwazi yabo la.
athi udulanga na udulanga sebeyenza nje loo nto
Hayi coach, nani coach. Uzocoach.
kodwa ungaphumi wonke
Letha ngalo baya sidlule.
hayi mama ngeke ngeke
Mina ngiphosa
ufele
Letha iwile lokuqala.
gqibezela
Unobulivalo.
lelo nyawo
Kodwa umuntu uyarobheka la kule game. Ngiyarobheka bendithi ngi-professional. Andiyo like
It's the last one.
So I can stand here.
Ungani uhlulekile? Hayi mina ngeke ngikwazi. Angifuna nokuzama. Angifuna nokuzama nje angeke ngikhona. Do you wanna go? Guys, it is the following day. We went to my mother's house to bath and change. Now we are back. Now we are back home. Sizoki Christmas. Kungo 2 niyabona ixesha 17 past 2.
So we are here now. Hi. Hello. We are here now. And Hi guys. Merry Christmas. Now no police. Hi guys. Hi guys. Merry Christmas. We are here now. Best guys. I wanted to wear my green dress. What are you doing, Nana? And Sana Amabele, no, we are not standing, Guys, I'll catch up with you now. Le week finally sengimtholile umuntu ozongi-installa la emakhaya.
Sithi mama sifuna ukuhamba thina.
Niyaphi?
Siyendlini siyohlamba.
Yima njengoba sikhwazelwa thina basihlaleleni nina nisayohlamba.
That's why bekhwazela.
Why are you not using one of the cars here?
Because benifuna uhamba
Why?
umuntu ophethe isikhiya sami.
Anyway, guys. Like, I don't understand. Anyway, I'll catch up with you now. I think they're done cooking. Yeah, they're done cooking. And Sana, Simes, bye guys. Yes, everyone wants me to go out, come out of this car. Like, why? I don't understand. I ain't got time, no moto. Come and give bag, yes. Tammy? Oh, Tammy? Angibekele angifuni ukuhamba na. Sizosho Merry Christmas. Okay, so you have great stuff. Ooh. Yes, hi.
Whoa.
Man, ngifuna ukushutha uZizi, come. A moment for the dress. Listen. Sesha. Okay.
A moment for the face. A moment for the hair.
Okay, girl.
A moment for the age.
For the age.
A moment for the age. Just take a guess. Just take a wild guess.
Okay.
Just take a wild guess and then
Sesha
whoever
the whole body.
closest to
Yeah.
the age.
Uzothola in.
Okay? It's just me and you. We will just communicate.
Sana. The body. The body. Okay. Okay. Silibela kukushuta i-content. Okay, I'm gonna try it. It's fine. I'll help. Let's go. Where's it?
Andithi isezolandela inyama that is why singathi
abantu abandiselayo ngokuba badinga ukuthi bakhathalwe
thank you sidlulile useza nebray wayangathi umuntu inyama incinci ukutya ke sikwenze ngabo umngane ngoba abantu avele bafuna inyama
Ndiyakubani ke ngoku
landela aba andithi uyathatha ndimise kanje
Oh, yeah,
Play one.
hayi baphem xa kunikeza ukudla kunikezwa wona sinika wonke umuntu kaloku kufana nokuthi ngathi semcimbini ewe yile nto sithi nantsi ichicken kabhutisi
Well, you later, I'm chicken.
Guys, put us a pedal kuya.
Ariana, ngicela ukwazibaleni izothuwa. Befanele bayona sike sithi yeah guys, wonke obani abantu kade bamsela mabachaze.
Ngicela ukubuza ugogo
ngicela anathi yize nizothatha khona ukutona ukudla ungaphila Sam,
Merry Christmas, guys. Ekhaya guys isibaningi. Ngalendlela ukuthi we've never bothered to decorate dining tables. My grandmom has a dining table. My mom's house is like everyone has a dining table in this house, but like my mom's dining table is 8-seater. Mine is 6. My grandmother's, I think it's also 8. I'm not sure. I actually forgot to show you guys here. But the point here is that we never ever bothered to do those fancy things, you know, decorate the dining tables, because it has baningi, guys. Like, this is not even half of the people. Like, kunabanye abantu abebehleli lapha ngemuva, boys, abafana bahleli emuva la kubraywa khona. I'm sure nabo bayi-10 on the other side, nathi ngalana. So every time when it's Christmas, we vele senze ngathi senza umcimbi, guys. I hope I'm making sense because of how big the family is. So even if singazama lezi zinto zakhona ezifancy ukuthi kube khona ama-Christmas tree, the Christmas decorations on the table, kuzohlala bani kuyeke bani, you know. I think ngahlala abantu abadala only, but it won't be nice because now we all want to be in one, like sifuna ukuba sendaweni eyi-one sonke when we eating and then we chatting and so we never really bother to do those things, the decorate the table, make them fancy. We don't. Our dining tables are not even that big to accommodate all of us. So nje sivele siphume kuona, sipheka ngathi sisemcimbini, sihlale phansi, enjoy, sidance. That is us. And also, guys, Christmas is asemakhaya. I don't know if you are from the village, you would know this. Kuye kungena umuntu athi ngizocela iplate aphakele, kungena omnye ngicela iplate. You know, it's fun like that for us here in the village. It just, so even when we're cooking, you don't cook for 20 people. Let's say cast by 20, you don't cook for 20, you cook for 30 for those extra plates that are gonna keep on coming. Yabo, it's more like a game. Angazi ukuthi I'm explaining it right, but that's how it's done in the village. So there's always extra food for someone, just in case anyone comes, you know. But yeah, Merry Christmas. Hope you all enjoyed yours.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking